Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, we are going to solve this equation, okay? So if you would like to give a try, please push the video, and if you are ready, please keep watching. Okay, so now I'm going to solve a full solution for you, so please stay with me a little bit longer to find out how can we solve this equation. Okay, so as we can see, we have cube root of 1 plus square root of x and then plus cube root of 1 minus square root of x equal to cube root of 3. Alright, so in order to solve these equations, the first things that we need to do, we have to simplify the cube root. So then we have to cube both sides of the equation. So what we will get this side of the equation raised to cube, and then this side of the equation also raised to cube. Alright, so now we will be using a formula which is a plus b all raised to cube. So then a plus b all raised to cube, which is equal to a cube, and then plus b cube, and then plus 3ab, and then factor a plus b. Okay, so then we will be using this formula to apply this equation. So this term is stand for a and this term is stand for b. So then when we expand this factor, we will get a cube. So a cube, that means this raised to cube, and then plus b cube, that means this term raised to cube, and then plus 3ab. So 3ab, that means 3 times with this factor, and then times with b. B is this term, and then a plus b. So a plus b, which is here, a, and then plus b, which is equal to cube root of 3. So we can take cube root of 3 and then substitute into here, which is the values of a plus b equal to cube root of 3. Okay, and then equal to, we have cube root of 3 all raised to cube. So we can simplify cube root with the cube here, we will get 3. Okay, alright, so here we also simplify cube with the cube root, so we will get 1 plus square root of x, and then plus here we also simplify cube with the cube root, then we will get 1 minus square root of x, and then plus 3. So as we can see, we have cube root of 1 plus square root of x times with cube root of 1 minus square root of x. So we can put the same cube root, which is here, these factors, and then times with this factor. Okay, and then times with cube root of 3, which is here, then equal to 3. Alright, so now we can see that 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Square root of x minus square root of x, we can cancel out, and then plus with, we got this left. So then as we can see, these two factors come together when we expand it, and then we will get 3 cube root of, so that will be 1 square minus square root of x and then also raised to square, and then multiply with cube root of 3, which is here. Okay, and then equal to 3. Alright, so then let's move on. Plus with 3, and then as we can see, we got cube root of the 1 square, which is equal to 1, and then minus square root of x raised to square, which is equal to x. Okay, and then multiply with cube root of 3 equal to 3. Okay, so next I can move 2 here to the right hand side of the equation. So we got this left here, and then equal to 3. When we move 2 to the right hand side of the equation, it changes to minus 2. Okay, so 3 minus 2, which is equal to 1. Okay, so now we already reached this step. It's almost finished. Okay, so the purpose of these equations, so our purpose is to find the values of x here. So what we have to do next, we need to cube both sides of the equation again. So then what we will get this side raised to cube again, and then 1 also raised to cube, and 1 raised to cube, that means 1 cube is still equal to 1. Alright, okay, so now we will simplify this part. So what we will get, we get 3 cube, and then also this raised to cube, and then time with this, and also raised to cube equal to 1. Alright, so 3 cube, which is equal to 27, and here we can simplify cube root with the cube here, so we will get 1 minus x, and then multiply here, which is equal to 3, and then equal to 1. Alright, so now we have 27 multiplied with 3, which is equal to 81. Then factors 1 minus x equal to 1. Okay, so then we can move 81 to the right hand side of the equation. So here is multiplication. When we move it to the right hand side of the equation, it changes to division. So that will be 1 minus x equal to 1 divided by 81. Okay, so then we will leave minus x here, and then equal to. So then as we can see, we can move 1 to the right hand side of the equation. So that will be equal to 1 divided by 81, and then minus 1. Okay, and then equal to, and then minus x equal to. So we can calculate this number. So then we will get 1 minus 81, and then divide by 81. Alright, so then minus x equal to 1 minus 81, which is equal to minus 80 divided by 81. Okay, so then we have negative sign at the left hand side of the equation, and we also have negative sign at the right hand side of the equation. So we can multiply both sides of the equation with negative sign. So we will get all positive. So that will be x equal to 80 divided by 81. So that will be the root of the equation. Okay, therefore x equal to 80 divided by 81. Finally, we have found the root of the equation. which is x equal to 80 divided by 81. Okay, now we have finished solving this equation. I hope you enjoy watching it, and please subscribe my YouTube channel for my future video. And goodbye, see you in the next video.